In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to change your Garmin watch face, how to customize data fields to suit your needs, and how to create your own personalized look. We'll use the fēnix 8 as an example, but the steps are similar for other 5-button watches. From the watch face, press and hold the middle left button for about 2 seconds. If you have a Venu 4, simply press the top button. For other 2-button watches, try long pressing the bottom button for 2 seconds. And the following steps will be very similar. Press the top right button, or tap the screen directly to enter watch face. Then use the up-down buttons or swipe the screen to choose a design you like. Press the top right button to apply it directly, or scroll down to select data to customize. The pulsing field is the one currently ready to be adjusted. Press the confirmation button or tap the field. And you can use the up-down buttons or swipe the screen to choose the data you want to display in that field. Then press the confirmation button again. You can adjust each field in order using the up-down buttons, or simply tap the specific field you want to change. And repeat the same steps. Once you're done, press the bottom right back button and select Apply to save the changes, or continue to adjust the accent color or data color. We'll demonstrate with accent color, but the process for data color is mostly the same. Besides the built-in watch faces, you can also download more unique faces from the Connect IQ store. Pick a watch face you like and select Install. Once installed, the watch face will automatically sync to your watch list when your device and phone are connected.